Crash course on sports science, sports psychology and sociology. Gain an understanding of the psychological and social factors influencing sports participation and performance. Sports psychology and sociology is a branch of sports science that explores the psychological and social factors that influence sports participation and performance. Understanding these factors can help athletes and coaches improve performance, build team cohesion, and promote positive behaviors both on and off the field. One interesting example of the importance of sports psychology is the case of Michael Jordan. Jordan is widely regarded as one of the greatest basketball players of all time, and his intense focus and mental toughness played a large role in his success. Jordan worked with a sports psychologist throughout his career to help him stay focused and maintain a winning mindset. Another interesting example is the concept of home advantage in sports. Research has shown that teams have a higher likelihood of winning when they play on their home turf, due in part to the psychological boost that comes from playing in a familiar environment with supportive fans. Now, let's look at the top 12 psychological and social factors that influence sports participation and performance. 1. Motivation. Motivation is one of the most important psychological factors in sports. Athletes who are highly motivated are more likely to achieve their goals and perform at a high level. 2. Confidence. Confidence is closely related to motivation, and athletes who are confident in their abilities are more likely to perform well under pressure. 3. Goal setting. Setting clear, specific goals can help athletes stay focused and motivated, and achieve their desired outcomes. 4. Imagery and visualization. Mental imagery and visualization techniques can help athletes prepare for competition and improve their performance. 5. Attention and concentration. The ability to maintain focus and concentrate on the task at hand is critical in sports, and can be improved through practice and training. 6. Anxiety and stress management. Athletes often experience anxiety and stress before and during competition, and learning effective coping strategies can help them manage these emotions and perform at their best. 7. Team cohesion. Social factors such as team cohesion and communication are important in team sports, and can affect team performance and outcomes. 8. Leadership. Strong leadership can help motivate and inspire athletes, and is important both on and off the field. 9. Personality. An athlete's personality traits can affect their motivation, confidence, and performance. 10. Culture and ethnicity. Cultural and ethnic factors can influence an athlete's identity and values, and can affect their participation and performance in sports. 11. Gender. Gender differences in sports participation and performance have been well documented, and are influenced by both biological and social factors. 12. Coaching and parental support. Coaches and parents play an important role in supporting and guiding athletes, and can have a significant impact on their motivation and performance. To summarize, sports psychology and sociology is a field that explores the psychological and social factors that influence sports participation and performance. Understanding these factors is critical for athletes and coaches who want to improve performance, build team cohesion, and promote positive behaviors both on and off the field. Some of the key factors include motivation, confidence, goal setting, attention and concentration, anxiety and stress management, team cohesion, leadership, personality, culture and ethnicity, gender, and coaching and parental support. And now, as requested, a poem about sports psychology and sociology. In sports, it's not just physical, but psychological and social. The mind and emotions play a role in achieving success and reaching our goal. Motivation drives us forward. Confidence keeps us strong and sure. Goal setting helps us aim high. Visualization prepares us to fly. Attention and concentration keep us focused. Anxiety and stress, we learn to cope with. Team cohesion and leadership inspire. Personality and culture shape our desire. Gender and ethnicity, we all bring unique perspectives and experiences, everything. Coaching and parental support, we seek. Guidance and encouragement, we speak. In sports, it's a team effort, not just one player's worth. Psychology and sociology, they play a part in building a team with a strong heart. So let us remember, as we compete, that it's not just about the physical feat. Our mind and emotions must be in sync to achieve our goals and not just think. Sports psychology and sociology, they help us understand and see that it takes more than just skill and talent. To achieve success and be triumphant. With these factors in mind, we can strive to be our best and keep the drive alive. In sports and in life, it's a lesson we learn that our mind and emotions must also take a turn. So let us embrace these principles and traits and become the best athletes and teammates. With sports psychology and sociology as our guide, we can achieve greatness and take pride. Here is a song on this topics. Verse 1. It's more than just a physical game. The mind plays a part in our claim to fame. Sports psychology and sociology help us understand what we need to know. Chorus. It's not just about the skill we bring. Our mental and emotional states must also sing. In sports, in life, it's all the same. To achieve success, we need to train our brain. Verse 2. Motivation, confidence, and focus. These are the keys to unlock our prowess. Team dynamics, social influence. They shape our performance, they're not a nuisance. Chorus. It's not just about the skill we bring. Our mental and emotional states must also sing. In sports, in life, it's all the same. To achieve success, we need to train our brain. Bridge. The power of the mind is often overlooked, but it's the foundation on which we're hooked. To be our best, we need to nurture our inner strength, our mental culture. Chorus. It's not just about the skill we bring. Our mental and emotional states must also sing. In sports, in life, it's all the same. To achieve success, we need to train our brain. Outro. So let's embrace these principles, my friend, and work towards our goals until the end. With sports psychology and sociology on our side, we'll reach new heights, we'll take the ride. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.